Hi, I am Karina, a Ukrainian lawyer relocated to Malta due to marriage. What should have been a joyful new beginning became a frustrating journey through an incomprehensible legal maze. I had one simple question. What are my rights as a woman in this new country? But the answer was buried in thousands of pages of legal text, written in language that seemed designed to exclude rather than inform. That night, sitting in my new home, I realized something profound. If I, a trained lawyer, was struggling to understand my basic legal protections, what about the millions of other women around the world facing the same challenge? Today, I want to introduce you to Global Wives, www.globalwives.app, the world's first comprehensive platform that makes comparing women's rights and family law across countries as easy as checking the weather. Imagine this. A woman in Nigeria can instantly see how her inheritance rights compare to those in Canada, Germany, or Brazil. A policy researcher can analyze domestic violence legislation across 50 countries in minutes, not months. An advocacy organization can identify best practices from around the world to strengthen their reform campaigns. I honestly believe that I am not just building an app, but creating a new category of legal technology that puts privacy, accessibility, and empowerment at its core. Imagine a future where a young woman in rural Bangladesh can instantly access information about her educational rights. Policymakers in emerging democracies can identify and implement the most effective legal protections from established systems. International organizations can track global progress on women's rights with unprecedented accuracy and speed. Legal professionals can provide better, more informed counsel by understanding comparative legal frameworks. This is the future we're building, a future where legal knowledge becomes a bridge to solidarity, progress, and justice. The future we envision, where legal knowledge empowers rather than excludes, where comparison creates clarity, where technology serves justice. That future is within our reach, but it requires all of us. Investors who believe in impact over just returns, partners who understand that women's rights are human rights, advocates who refuse to accept the status quo. Join us. Together, we can ensure that every woman on this planet has the legal knowledge she needs to build the life she deserves. The question isn't whether women deserve better access to legal information. They do. The question isn't whether technology can solve this problem. It can. The only question is, will we choose to act? I invite you to choose action. I invite you to choose empowerment. I invite you to choose Global Wives.